Hey everybody, what we're going to do today is graph an equation in standard form. Now we have it here, graphing equation in standard form, 2x plus 4y equals 16. Now in order for us to be able to graph the equation in standard form, we got to find the intercepts. So because it is in standard form, we can find the intercepts, both the x and the y-intercept, and I'm going to show you how. Now in order for us to find the y-intercept, we can make x 0. So we're changing x or substituting x for 0. So let's do that. 2 times 0 now plus 4y is equal to 16. I didn't change anything but x. I made x 0. Or I substituted x for the 0. Now 2 times 0 is just 0 plus 4y equals 16. Now anything plus or added to 0 is just itself, so 4y plus 0 or 0 plus 4y is just 4y equals 16. Now we're going to simplify this even more. 4y is equal to 16. What we're going to do to get y by itself, we got to divide 4 to both sides, just because y is being multiplied by 4. So we're doing the opposite, which is division, and I'm dividing both sides by 4. This eliminates the 4 from the y, this one here, so we just have y, and 16 divided by 4 is just 4. So that we know that if x is 0, and this is what it means, if x is 0 in a coordinate plane, because we substituted 0 for x, and this meaning x, y is 4. So here's the coordinates for this one, x and y. Now let's go ahead and find the other point, or the x-intercept. So doing the same thing, let's see if we can get it here. Doing the same thing, now we have 2x plus 4 times 0 is equal to 16. So same thing we did over here. This is now 2x plus 0 is equal to 16. Anything to 0 just means itself. So we have 2x is equal to 16. And then we have to separate the x and the 2. So because x is being multiplied by 2, we have to divide the 2 out. So anything we want to get rid of, we got to do the opposite of it. So this eliminates the 2's here. Leaves me with just x. And x is equal to 16 divided by 2, which is 8. So that means that if x is 8, y is 0. Alright, so if we have our 2 points here, we can graph this line. Now let's go ahead and graph the line. So the line should look like this, which is our coordinate plane. Alright, so we know that x, the first point, x is 0, y is 4. Or we can say y is equal to 4. That means we go on the y line only. This is a vertical line. We'll just go 4. We just plot a point on the 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It should be about here. So this is the 4th point on the y line. We'll do the same thing with x. X is equal to 8. So on the x-axis, we plot a point at 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it should be about here. So this is my 8. And then we just draw a line from 48. And we have our line. Alright, so make sure we set either one equal to 0 to get the other axis. So if we set x equal to 0, we will get the y-axis. If we set y equal to 0, we would get the x-axis. So that's how we would make sure we get our answers. So 0, answer, 0, answer. Let's see if we can do one on your own. So let's bring this one out. We have an example that you could use, which is 2 x plus 5y is equal to 30. Now go ahead and find the x-axis and the y-axis. Go ahead and put the video on pause, and when you come back, let's see if you got the right answer. Alright, let's see if you got the right answer. So we have 2x plus 5y is equal to 30. First of all, let's go ahead and find the y-axis. So we're going to make x 0. Now we know that once we multiply these two together, this would just be 0 plus 5y is equal to 30. So we can kind of cancel this out and just put 5y equals to 30. Divide both sides by 5, and we have our answer to be 6. Alright, let's find the x-axis. So y is equal to 6. Let's find the x-axis. We have 2x plus 5 times 0 equals to 30. Note that is 5 times 0, it will cancel out, so we are left with 2x equals to 30, and 2x equals to 30 would be x equal 15. So we have our y which is at 6, and we have our x which is at 15. Now we can write it in a coordinate plane. If x is 0, y is 6. If y is 0, x is 15. So there are coordinates, and let's go ahead and graph it. Let's just drawing the graph for you guys. So here's the graph that we're going to be using. Alright, and the first point is 0, 6. So 0 on the x-axis, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's that point. And this one will be 15, 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Maybe I pick smaller numbers next time. But we have our graph. If you got it right, congratulations. You mastered this. Well, thanks again for watching the video. And if you have any question, go ahead and put the question on the comment below. And I'll do my best to be able to answer it for you.